one of the co-founders of Monsha. So Monsha lets you plan your curriculum or course into units and lessons. And in this video, I'm going to show you a typical course page. So I'm on this page. This is a course. This is a social studies course. On top of this page, you can see a box containing some basic information about the course. For example, it has the course title, a short course code, grade, language, and a short description about the course. And you can click on edit course here to adjust any of these things, and you can actually delete the course as well. And if you scroll below, you will see the units and lessons within this course. So a course is made of several units, and each unit is made of several lessons. For example, this is a social studies course, and from the description, we can see that uh, students will learn about communities, map, local history, and different cultures. So the units are about local history, cultural celebrations, understanding communities, and maps and directions. And within the units, we have these lessons. For example, under this cultural celebrations unit, we have introduction to cultural celebrations, symbols and traditions, celebrations around the world. So it has 3 lessons. The following unit has 4 lessons, and the final unit has 5 lessons. So you can add more lessons from here. You can add more units from here. So this is your course page, and from this, you can access your units and lessons. And on top of it, you will see an edit course button. So clicking it will allow you to change all these things within this box particularly. So course title, course short code, or grade level, language, or any short description. And if you click on here, you will see a delete course option. So if you delete this course from here, all the units and lessons and resource within this course will be deleted as well. So careful.